Places where computers are used. You must have seen that computers are used almost everywhere. Let us look at how a computer is used at different places. Home. At home, computers are used to do homework and study, watch movies and cartoons, listen to songs, play games, search information on any topic. School. Computers are used for a lot of things at school, such as help teachers in teaching during online classes,
make worksheets, timetable and report cards, keep records of books in the library, keep fee records of students,
help to work in the computer lab. Hospital. In a hospital, computers are used to treat patients and keep their record, prepare medical reports, research about diseases, research and find new medicines. Offices. In the office, computers are used to type letters and documents, send and receive messages and emails, keep record of employees. Banks. Computers are used in a bank to keep details of bank accounts, deposit money in the customer's account, take out money from ATM. Hotels and restaurants. Hotels and restaurants use computers to make bills, store the details of guests. Supermarkets and shops. In supermarkets and shops, computers are used to keep record of goods in the store and shop, prepare bills of the goods sold. Airports and railway stations. At airports and railway stations, computers are used to book tickets, keep records of passengers, give information about the time of planes and trains, manage the airplanes and trains' routes. Police stations. In police stations, computers help police officers to keep an eye on the area, control crime, catch thieves, keep records of criminals. Designing. Computers are used in designing. Design newspaper, books and magazines. Create cartoons and animation movies. Design clothes, cars, machines, etc. Space research and defense. In space research and defense, computers are used to conduct research on space, help our soldiers by giving important information, send rockets in space, forecasting weather.